Antaraku Namaskaro. Honorable Minister for State Defence Sri Pallam Rajuji, Honorable SSA Minister of Andhra Pradesh Sri Shankar Rauji, Principal Secretary of Government of Andhra Pradesh Sri J.C. Sharma ji, Director NSIC Mr. Uday Kumar ji, General Manager NSIC Mr. Ravi Kumar ji, my dear colleague President FOSIA Mr. Hanumanth Rao ji, Mr. Satish, distinguished guests, exhibitors, DEF contract, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of MSME community of India and NSIC, I have privilege in extending warm welcome to all of you at the validatory session of DEF contract 2011. When the idea of organizing DEF contract was convinced, Mr. Sri Pallam Rajuji was the first minister of central government whom FISME met during the middle of August 2010. In the first meeting itself, we were struck by his grasp of issues and extremely positive attitude and offered generous support for organizing this event. We met several times thereafter, and every time he's been supportive to the organization of this event. Today's validatory function signifies culmination of the idea into reality. While welcoming him, all of us would like to place on record our sincere gratitude to Sri Pallam Rajuji. Welcome, sir. This is my second function attending in Hyderabad, and I had a very good interaction with Sri Shankar Rao ji, and he is very, very friendly with all the entrepreneurs. Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh is very lucky to have such an enterprising minister. I thank you very much for attending this function, sir, and all the support you have given through Andhra government. It's a pleasure indeed to welcome Principal Secretary of Andhra Pradesh, Sri J.C. Sharma ji. NSIC has been an excellent partner in co-organizing DEF Contract India. I have a special pleasure in welcoming Director, Promotion and Marketing of NSIC, Sri P. Uday Kumar ji, under whose leadership the event took the current shape. Welcome, sir. Though we are coming to close the event, yet the journey on which we set out to achieve our aims has just begun. Our aim is clear: to create conditions that MSME activity participate in India defense, aerospace and homeland security marks, and while profiting from the emerging opportunities, contribute extensively to nation building. MSME contribute over 40% of India's industrial production. We want to take MSME contribution to India's defense and aerospace requirement to the same level. While under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Minister, India's defense sector is opening up to private sector in the initiatives such as offset clause. We have also noted that great intention of the government in the defense production policy that SME benefit from these initiatives. MSME have the capability and capacity. After all, thousands of Indian MSCC are supplying to world's most competitive and high technology intensive supply chains of automobile, electronics, software, etc. However, without active support of partnership of Ministry of Defense and Central Defense PSUs, they would continue to be marginal players. The policy intention has to be converted into reality. The land potential has to be realized. FISME has identified defense and aerospace as focused vertical, and together with all our partners such as NSIC, we are checking out an expensive agenda for support of MSME interested in defense markets, which shall include publication of guides, training, and evaluation. Finally, while thanking all our MSME exhibitors, I would like to inform that exhibition may be coming to close, but not our efforts. A one-page web catalog is being created at DEF Contract website for search by potential buyers around the year. B, the copies of exhibitor catalog will be sent to Indian missions abroad and all the foreign missions in India. The copies of all catalogs will be sent to the decision makers of the top 200 large defense suppliers in Indian markets. Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense is being requested to get the copies distributed to Procurement Department in MOD and DPSUs. You will also continue to be the first invitees of all our future defense-related programs. I extremely seek assistance of Honorable Minister Shri Pallam Rajuji in facilitating every entry of MSME participants of defense contract in central DPSU and other defense departments. We need your blessings, sir. Finally, I would like to thank the exhibitors, and the FISME shall remain at your back-end call should you need any support. The way is long, but we have made the beginning. I welcome you all to be the partner in the new beginning of create the win-win for MSME and for India. Jai Hind.